Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a 5-gallon portable air tank by Craftsman. So it's kind of hard to see, it's a little bit big for the frame, but shut up, dog. But that was what we're going to be looking at today. It was, you can see here, it was a clearance item at Ace Hardware, so 25 bucks is what I bought it for. So not a bad price. I've been looking for a portable air tank for a while. I looked at a bunch of different places, whether it be Tractor Supply or Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, because I really didn't care what brand it was. And then I came across this one. This one just happened to be the cheapest out of any option I possibly could get. While at the same token, again, having the Craftsman name on it, which I always like. So let's take a look at it. I gotta cut it open. Again, you're gonna see the best you can see because the camera can only see so much of the product. Maybe. Yeah, you gotta love when the tape sticks to the product itself. So let's look at the outside first, I guess, considering we're already here. So that's what it should look like. The marketing hype on the back, so does that. We have a pressure gauge, which displays air tank pressure at a glance. An air shutoff valve seals air from the hose when not in use to help prevent leakage, and a carry handle. So man, just what great stuff. 135 PSI maximum pressure and stable leg base. Always wear proper safety glasses or eye shields when operating pneumatic tools. Yeah, I'll get right on that. And then we have a 1-year warranty. So yeah, mail that address to Sears Roebuck and Company and get nothing back from them. And it is made in China. And that's it. So we have the product in our nice trash bag. That's really what it feels like, as a trash bag. I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't, or if that's exactly what it was. The trash bag has, you know, don't choke your baby stuff. Looks great. So the front looks like so. So it says Craftsman 5-gallon air tank, 135 PSI max. That actually don't look too bad. I was thinking it was gonna be a lot worse than that. Again, nobody gave a fuck less to put the fucking stickers on, right? So it's a big, you know, little baby gap here, big ass gap here, but I guess what do I expect? On the back, it's just the warning labels and stuff like that. So you have Craftsman, you know, model number, blah, 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 Sears and Roebuck. You're at risk, don't, you know, put it above 135 PSI and this and that and the other, wear eye protection, blah, blah, blah. And then your directions, so how to use it. And then your warning label. So it contains lead, which, in case you're wondering, don't eat lead, is what it's saying. The gauge doesn't look too atrocious. Has its little wrapper on the outside. So the gauge don't look bad. Looks like a regular Craftsman air compressor gauge. Again, this looks like shit, but it's $25. I mean, what can I really expect? You know, your little air release right there. So I mean, overall, it's okay. It's not anything that I'd be super excited about, but it's not bad. It comes with a little hose too. The hose actually doesn't look too bad, neither does the chuck. So again, if you needed this, you know, if you're going on a trip and you want to put some in the car just in case, it overall looks in pretty decent condition. If you can find them for the deal that I got it for 25 bucks, I'd say why not? It's an insurance policy more than anything at that point. So yeah, that's a short video. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a short glimpse on this. I figured I bought it. I might as well show you guys what it looked like and kind of my first impressions. But it looks good. I would say that it's better than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be pretty shit for 25 bucks. But yeah, so if you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section. I'll answer it or try to answer the best I can. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, again, leave it in the comments and I'll try to accommodate those. All right, I'll see you guys next time.